Hi, in this video today I would like to show you how to use Microsoft TODO application to manage checking reminds tasks for the project. Okay, so now let's get started. Okay, so here firstly you need to have the Microsoft account and then you access into the office.com. Okay, and you see in the navigation here on the left hand side we have the TODO application. Just go ahead to click on TODO application. It will navigate you to the to-do do.ly.com. Yeah. So here where you can create some tasks in for the planning. Okay. And this is the web view. You can also open this one in the application app. Yeah. We have the Windows app, also the mobile app. Yeah. For the Windows app, if you are using the Windows 7, you can go to the Microsoft Store. I will type install. Yeah. And then I will click on the search button on the top right hand side here, and I will type in the to do here. In the auto suggestion, you can see in the top we have a Microsoft To Do list, task, and reminder application. Click on this one. Yeah, it will open the detail of the Microsoft To Do. You click on install button on the top right hand. It needs some time to get the file from the store and then install it on the PC. Yeah. Okay. And the same thing, you can use the mobile device, Android or iOS, and then you go to store to download the application, the Microsoft To Do application, I mean. Okay. This application has been installed successfully on my Windows PC, and I click on launch button here to run the application. So here, you don't have to click on sign in button. Okay. And then you click on you have to provide the account in order to access into the application. Okay. You click on Microsoft account and click on continue. Okay. You provide the account here. Okay. And you see this is the default application on the Windows app. Okay. And because for now we don't have any task created in my account, so when I open the window app here, you can see that there are some blank here. Let me minimize this one, and I come back to the web view. Okay, in the web view here, I can create some tasks in the task category here. Okay, or I can also create some listing. Okay, click on new listing. For example, you are working on some specific project and you want to group the task into this project, so you can create a new listing for that project. Okay, click on new list and you type in a project 01. Okay, and project 02. Okay, and I will select the project 1. In the project 1, you can see that we have the add a task. Click on okay, plus button here to add a new task into this project. Okay, for example, I have the task number 1, task 01, task 02. Okay, and then I can come back to the window app to see. Okay, you see that after we create the data on the web view, the data will be auto sync into the window app. Okay, you see here in the navigation on the left hand side, we have project 1 and project 2 have been created. You click on the project 1, yeah, you see there are 2 tasks have been created, task 1 and task 2. Okay, you can click on task number 1 to view more detail. Okay, so here you take a look into the detail of the task number 1. On the top we have task name, and at the below task name we have add a step. Okay, how to add a step and what does it mean step? Okay, So for example, if so we need to do some the action. I mean some action in this task in order to complete it. So for example, I need to do around two action. The first one is preparation. Okay, and the second one will be the executing. Okay, or something like so. Yeah, we have two action. Okay, that means we have to complete the preparation and also executing in order to finish the task number one. Okay, and also here we have the ask to my day. Okay, you click on my day here. So by default, you see that the my day will be blank. Okay, you come back to the project number one and click on that one. You click on ask to my day. So this task will be added into the my day. Okay, that means okay. So what does it mean for my days? Okay, the task in the my days that means it will be high priority and you need to work on it as soon as possible. Yeah. Okay. Come back to project number one and click on tab 01 to see more detail. Okay. And you see here the next one we have the remind me. Okay. So for example tomorrow. Yeah. So it means you see here we set the reminder at the 9 a.m. tomorrow. So that means when tomorrow at 9 a.m. there are some notifications to remind you that you have to work on this task 01 or you have or even you have to finish it. Okay. The below we have add due date. Okay. The due date means the how many time we need to finish this task. Okay. For example, we need to finish the task by tomorrow, and then you can click on tomorrow button here. Okay. Repeat. Yeah. So repeat that means you want to do some reminder in a register. Yeah. You want today or tomorrow when we have some reminder for this task. You can even set it by daily, weekly, monthly, yearly, or do some customization. Yeah. You can also assign to some specific person in the team. Okay. And if you already set this project for other member in the team, so you can assign the task for other people. Okay. Okay. And for add file, yeah. So this one you can do some the attack, some of the file like the Word, Excel, image, PDF or other files into the task. Okay. You can also add the note into this is my note for task 01. Okay, cool. And for the task number 2, I will be doing the same. I can do some the add a due date. It could be next week. Okay, cool. And I will go ahead to do add task number 3, task 03. Okay. So before you click on enter button to confirm create a new task 03, and you take a look into the right hand, the calendar. This will be identify the due date for your task. Yeah, pick a date. Okay, and also the reminder me tomorrow, and also the repeat daily. Okay, enter. Okay, and you see that we have 3 tasks have been created in the project 01, and you so here if I want to order the task by on the due date, yeah, the task is yeah. The due date is close to today, so I want to be it order on the top, and the due date of any task it is far away the today. So I want to it order at the end of the list. So how to do it? Okay, just go ahead to click on three dot button here on the right hand, and you see that we have option is sort by. Yeah, in the sort by we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 options. You can sort by for importance, the due date, added to my day, alphabetical or creation date. Okay. And for now, in our situation, I will set it by the due date. Okay. So you see here, after we sorting by the due date, you can see the order of task number 1 will be on the top, and then task number 3, and the last one will be task number 2. Yeah. Okay. Very good. Okay. So in case if you have finished any task, you can go ahead to check in this radio button. Yeah. So when you hover on this cycle radio button here, it will have some tooltip. This is complete. Toggle the task between complete and incomplete. Yeah. So here, 3 tasks here is incomplete. And then when you check into the box, the radio button here, that means the task will be have been completed, and it will move from the top to the completed area. Okay, very good. The same thing for task number 2. The same thing for task number 2. Yeah. Okay. Cool. And in the My Day, you can see that the task has been completed for task number 1 in project 1. Okay. You can do the same thing for project number 2. Test 01, test 02, test 03. Okay. So, yeah. You see in the planted. Okay. So, when there is any task listed in the planted, that means you already assign some due date for the task. Okay. And you see that in the planted grouping here, you already see some details of project number 1. Because in the project number 1, we already set some due date. Okay. Let me come back into the project 02, and I will try to set the due date for this. Due date tomorrow. Okay. And come back to the planted. Yeah. Tomorrow. Yeah, you can see here, this is test 01. Okay. And test 02, due dates. Test 02. Okay, cool. Okay. And you can come back to the website, web view, to see some of the, okay. It should be the same. Okay. Okay, so I think that's all for today. And after you finish this video, you know how to use Microsoft TODO to manage, check, and reminders the tasks in the project, or even for some personal plan. Okay, I hope this video will be helpful for you. Let me know if you see any issue or you have any question. Okay, thank you for watching. Bye bye. See you guys in the next video.